Priyanka ma'am, thanks for coming, making time for talking to other parents. I just wanted to ask you a little bit about your background. आप लोग कहाँ से हो? What brought you to OckyPocky and what's the results that you've seen? थोड़ा अपने बारे में, थोड़ा आपकी search के बारे में and how we've been able to help.
So we are from Delhi. Recently shifted to Haryana, Faridabad, and I'm a law graduate with MBA. So spoken English is not a problem, but we don't use it at home. It's, we go with the mother tongue because he talks ample in school. So yeah, but one thing I would like to tell you that initially, for 2 years, all the classes were happening virtually. So I had to sit with him. Iske classes ke during his school classes, virtual classes, ye bahut distractive rehta tha. Or I had to sit with him all the time. I could not even move for 1 second. Otherwise, he would shout. So now with these classes, initially, so first we took 5 days wala session. So after first session, he was so anthu. He used to ask me ki kab hoga, and when do we have a next class, when do we have session. And now I don't sit with him at all. He sits by himself. Wow. I don't sit with him. Then another one was Rubik Cube class that we he took, and it was new for all of us because nobody in the family does Rubik Cube. And now his timing is 1 minute 40 seconds.
Wow, incredible. मैम ये बताइए, just go a little bit back on English. आप जब ऐसे ही एक मिनी कोर्स में आए थे, तो what was the problem you were solving for? दिक्कत कहाँ पे आ रही थी आहान को?
आहान को तो इंग्लिश का, so he अब बच्चे सब घर पे हैं, तो and since he is the only child, so he is with his iPad all the time. What he is doing, he is playing game, या वो कुछ भी वीडियो देख रहा है, YouTube देख रहा है, he is with the iPad. So I had to, first thing was I had to get him away. It's not, it's not very easy. So instead of, getting him away from the iPad, मैंने सोचा इसकी क्लास ही लगाई जाए so that he utilizes that.
But English में आप क्या देख रहे थे specifically?
Specifically इसका यही है, he speaks well, but he doesn't try on his own. तो अगर घर में है तो वो चीज नहीं रिफ्लेक्ट करती है that he knows how to speak. तो वो चाहिए था कि अच्छा बच्चा बोलता है ठीक है, but I have met many
आपको
people.
कुछ टाइम हो गया हमारे साथ, so what are the noticeable differences? Give me an example of that.
So now when we go out, he tries to speak in English.
Okay.
So which is the first step, and I'm really proud, at least not in public. He's behaving and he's trying to speak, and he speaks well. Earlier he was making grammatical mistakes. Now he's not.
कितना टाइम हुआ है आपको हमारे साथ?
I think we took 5 days wala session, and this one has recently started. I think 2 or 3 classes. One.
That's
one
it, and he's already started to speak. Wow.
Yeah.
That's incredible. That's really incredible. Great.
So now he tries.
And ma'am, sorry, I'm rushing you because we have a whole ceremony to go. You've been through this, and I just wanted to understand from you. आज आप अगर किसी को recommend करते हो, या यहाँ पे करीब 20 parents हैं जो आप ही के position में जहाँ पे आप थे 1-2 हफ्ते पहले when you were deciding, what would you recommend? Why is OckyPocky useful to possibly them and their children?
I think it will really help. I have seen many people, those who can actually write English nicely, but they don't speak well. So I want him to, start thinking in English. That is when it comes naturally to you.
मैम आपकी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास मिक्स पेरेंट्स हैं, स्मॉल टाउन से, मिक्स एजुकेटेड बैकग्राउंड्स के हैं, राइट? सो सम ऑफ देम आर थिंकिंग कि यार आप तो खुद भी पढ़ा सकते थे.
हाँ, I'm a teacher myself. I can teach him, but I don't want to.
Because
when I teach him all the time. I want him to listen to other people and understand. बच्चा मदर के पास शुरू से होता है, मदर अगर लिप सिंक भी करेगी तो बच्चा समझ जाता है. बट इंग्लिश या फिर किसी भी लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए you have to actually learn to talk to everyone who you meet. अब इंग्लिश में सिर्फ मेरे से बात कर सकता है वो तो sufficient नहीं होगा, तो सबसे बाहर अगर कोई, हर किसी के इंग्लिश बोलने का डायलेक्ट अलग होता है, किसी में MTI होता है, some are very fluent, so I want him to be fluent.
Correct. Thank you so much for that.